Jennifer, and I'm so excited and happy you're here for my video today. Be sure to click the like button and subscribe. Well, friends, today we have an organizational project. I have a room here in my house where we keep just things like storage, and we just bring things and set them down. My husband has his gym equipment here that he really never gets to use because there are too many other things in here, and we have all sorts of things in these baskets. This is all his paperwork and anything like that that he needs a place to store, and we just put it here on this table in these plastic bins. I want to fix up this space so that he can use this gym and come in here and do his exercising. We have a paper shredder here. We also have our desk in here, and all of these lights and stands, tripods, all of these things. We're not going to be moving any of these collectibles or awards or anything like that. They'll stay right where they are, as well as this cabinet. This safe, of course, is going to stay right here. It is far too heavy to think about doing anything else with it. But we can use this whole entire side of the room to make this into a great workout area for Alan. We always keep this door closed and we very rarely come in this room. But today, that's going to change. I've set aside 2 hours to see what I can accomplish. I have this buffet in my dining room, and I have things inside here that I can easily take out and put in another area of my home. I have some books here and some games. And on this side, I have tablecloths and placemats. I've eliminated and donated more than half of my tablecloth collection, so I can easily relocate these to a linen closet, as well as these other things. I have a very short time limit to empty this cabinet, so I'll get this emptied real quick and then we'll move on. I have this empty shelf in my front linen closet, and this will be the perfect place to put all of my tablecloths and all of my placemats. It's right out the front hallway, right near my dining room. These tablecloths and placemats fit so nicely here. I'm so glad I parted with half of my collection. I had far too many, and these are my favorites. They're the ones I use all the time. Here I have my vacuum cleaner accessories, and then I was able to put the games right here. I just moved a small sewing basket, and it made plenty of room here right beside where I keep my vacuum. And this will be the perfect place to keep the games. When you're running low on space and it's hard to keep certain areas organized, look around your house and see if you can easily move some things around to make more space. Look at all of this space that I've acquired in just a matter of a couple of minutes. I can move this paper shredder to another room where it won't be in the way of the exercise equipment. Now I'll move these bins out of this room. The bins are gone, and now we'll move out this table. I'm going to move these pictures to another wall so that we can put some other ones right here. I'll move those pictures right here out of the way. Alan has some other pictures here, and I'm going to let him decide which ones he wants to hang up on this wall and which ones he just wants to put away and store in the closet. For now, I'll just set some poster board here in front so it'll protect the glass. The room is really starting to shape up. Now I'm going to take these lights and stands and tripods, and I'm going to put these in the closet in another room. Moving all of these things really helps to free up some space in this room. I can remove this lamp off the desk. We don't ever use this lamp, so there's no use in having it in this room, taking up space on this small desk. Alan was so happy to have this space in this cabinet, and I didn't mind moving my things at all. They're easier to get to in the linen closet after all. His things are all put away and organized in this cabinet where it'll be so easy to get to. And now let's take a look at the completed room. I think I'll still keep the door closed when guests come because there are so many things in this room. It's such a multi-purpose room, and I don't think it looks as nice as it could, but this is great for now. This will really be helpful when Alan's in here exercising and working out. He has the entire floor to use his weight bench and his weights over here. I He has all of his collectibles still here, but now all dusted and clean. Over here on the safe in the corner, the same thing. His collectibles all dusted and clean. We have an extra office chair here, and then we have his German wine collection. His pictures are hung nicely on the wall. We have some little charts here that we can keep track of things that are upcoming. And the computer area is all clean and dusted. He'll really enjoy sitting in here and working now that everything is clean and dusted. I didn't take all of his things away. I left them where he could easily find them. But it's so nice to have everything orderly now. I know Alan will enjoy working in this room so much better. He can come in here and spend some time when he has work to do or when he's working from home. And he can also get some working out done as well. I hope this has really inspired you to get busy and clean out and rework and rearrange a room in your home to make it much more useful and much more appealing. I am so glad you were here. I had so much fun making this video and sharing it. I would be so happy if you click the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.